I learned that the self is not formed in isolation but is deeply connected to culture, our value, beliefs, and even the way we see ourselves are shaped by the tradition and practice of the society we live in. For example, in Filipino culture, we are taught the importance of family respect and community, and this guide how we think and act every day. This way we realize that understanding culture also means understanding myself better. It's also remind me to respect others people difference because their sense of self is shaped by their own culture. In in the end, the self and culture are inseparable, and learning about this help us grow as individual